as continuing our Sigma data science series, now I will teach you about gradient descent. This is the second technique for calculating the mean value and correct value of m and b. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So in this video I will give you an introduction to gradient descent, but in the next video I will give you complete formulation of the gradient descent algorithm. So the gradient descent is a powerful optimization algorithm used to calculate the minimum loss and the best parameters for your model. So I have already told you that we have a graph and here are some points, and the best fit line would be the line that would fit it very close, and this is very close line because here you can see there is less loss. And but we also need to tackle with these outliers, and for that we will study them later. But now if you have a simple graph and a simple linear algorithm, let's say we have plot a graph of x is equal to x, let's say just to be like this. You have a function of y and that is equal to f of x, and what the f of x do is nothing but x square. So the plot would look like this if you will plot x and y. So this would look like this. Now the thing you need to do is, like, you have this, but now we need to start from any point we want. Let's choose this point or this point. There are so many points. We can choose them like this here point also, because there would also be a graph and the value of every point can be calculated. So let's say we start from this point, and now we need to go to this point that is very low loss. So for that we will use some techniques, and those techniques are used in gradient descent, and that will be study in next video. So thank you guys, thanks for watching the video. In next video I will give you the complete formulation of gradient descent. So I am quitting the video.